talk about how can you change your name on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list like you see here. Then you come to name, click in this sign here. So then here you change your name. I'm going to add new name here. So then you go above save, click on it. Then it's going to save with you here your name like you see on your here Dailymotion app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.